Interior restoration is the process by which we clean, dye, and clear coat the interior materials, whether it's a leather or vinyl seat, door panel, dash, center console. Anything that has paint and clear coat on it can be restored. So the process is cleaning the seat, we'll lightly scuff the area, dye it, clear coat it. It's a multi-day process because the paint and clear coat need to dry and cure. And in some cases, we ceramic coat the seat once the restoration is done. And because everything is clear coated on the interior, it can be ceramic coated. Now this is the finished product. The seat's been cleaned and dyed and clear coated. Now this customer did not want ceramic coating just because it's his son's vehicle, he's in college, but he at least wanted to restore and repair the seat. In some cases, if this bolster gets bad enough, we can actually cut that piece out and replace it. Keeping your original materials is by far the best to restoration, and in some cases, replacing it, putting back the original piece because the piece has been worn or damaged too extensively.